Welcome to the 2026 to 2027 Transportation Stipend Application Process Training. In this presentation, we'll review eligibility requirements, application steps in EMA, required documentation, and what to expect after submission. The Florida Transportation Stipend provides eligible households with a $750 payment to help offset transportation costs for students attending a Florida, non-virtual public school other than their assigned neighborhood school. To qualify, students must be enrolled in grades kindergarten through 8th grade at a Florida public school different from their assigned school. Eligible schools may include charter schools, magnet schools, developmental research schools, and schools participating in a district's open enrollment program. A household consists of individuals who share housing and significant financial expenses. Even if multiple households live at the same address, they must be financially independent to be considered separate households. Remember, only one stipend is awarded per household, regardless of the number of eligible students. Renewing households receive priority funding. If you already have an EMA parent or guardian account, continue with the next steps in this presentation. New applicants should skip ahead to slide 23, where we cover creating a new EMA account. Begin by logging into your EMA parent or guardian account. On your dashboard, scroll down to the Available Scholarships section. Locate the Transportation Stipend Scholarship and click the Apply button to begin. Before proceeding, you'll see a reminder that only one stipend is available per household. Review the eligibility information carefully and ensure that students connected to multiple households are included on only one application. Select all eligible students by sliding the selection button to the right. You cannot add additional students after submission. Once selected, click Continue. Review the list of selected students for the 2026 to 2027 Transportation Stipend and confirm the information is correct. Then click Continue. Choose View Details to review each student's information. If a student is missing, use the Add a Student process before continuing. You may also update student information from the My Students section. Most student information will populate automatically from the student profile. If the relationship field has not been completed previously, you'll be required to select it before moving forward. Enter the county and current public school where your student is enrolled. Then select the student's grade level for the 2026 to 2027 school year. If you do not immediately see the school listed, begin typing the school name to locate it. Next, select the student's assigned school, the school tied to the home address. Choose both the county and school name from the available options. To verify enrollment, upload documentation showing the student attends the selected school. Acceptable documents include report cards, progress reports, grade portal screenshots, or official school letters. The document must contain the student's name, the school's name, the school year, and proof of enrollment. Once your document uploads successfully, the file name will appear on the screen. Ensure the file is not password protected, as password protected files cannot be reviewed. If applying for multiple students, complete the required information for each student. Remember, even with multiple eligible students, households receive only one $750 stipend. Before continuing, verify that all eligible students have been included. Review the primary guardian information and make any updates needed. You may save your application as a draft if you'd like to return later. Review the application summary carefully. Verify student information and guardian contact details. Once everything is correct, acknowledge the parent or guardian terms and conditions. Enter your name as your electronic signature and click Keep. The Submit Application button will activate. Remember, once submitted, the application cannot be reopened. Congratulations! Your transportation stipend application has been submitted successfully. When you return to the dashboard, you'll see a submitted status displayed on the student's tile, confirming the application was received. If you do not have an EMA parent or guardian account, the next several slides will walk you through creating one before applying. Go to apply.stepupforstudents.org and begin the account creation process. Select Sign Up, enter your email address, and choose Send Code. An email containing a verification code will be sent to the address you provided. Enter the verification code from your email and select Confirm. After verification is complete, click Continue to proceed. Complete all required account fields, including account type, username, legal name, and password. Select 3 security questions and provide answers that you'll remember. These help verify your identity when contacting StepUp for Students. Complete 2-step verification using a phone number that can receive authentication messages or calls. A mobile phone is recommended. Review the terms and conditions. Once you've read and accepted them, select the Agreement checkbox and click OK. Next, complete your Guardian profile. This profile can be updated at any time if your contact information changes. Enter all required contact information. If desired, add an authorized caller and establish a 4-digit PIN for that individual. Be sure your name and address are entered exactly as required. Review the communication consent options and select Yes or No for each category. Choose how you'd like StepUp for Students to contact you, including text messaging if preferred. Review the data usage statement and save your preferences. You'll receive email notifications whenever updates are made to your profile. After saving, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Here you can access existing students or add new students. Select Add a Student and complete the student profile with all required information. Carefully review all information for accuracy and avoid using nicknames. Once complete, save the profile. After all students have been added, return to the dashboard and select Apply Next to Transportation Stipend to begin the application. Your EMA account is now complete and ready for use. Return to slide 7 and follow the application steps we reviewed earlier. Now let's review what happens after your household receives the transportation stipend. Eligible households will receive a check for $750 mailed to the guardian listed in EMA. Never write void on a check you intend to deposit. The image shown is only an example. Sign the back of the check exactly as your name appears on the front. If using mobile deposit, write for mobile deposit only as instructed by your bank. Follow your bank's mobile deposit instructions carefully. Use clear photos, include all 4 edges of the check, and wait for final deposit confirmation before considering the transaction complete. If your bank rejects the deposit, contact them and ask for the specific reason. Common issues include endorsement errors, image quality problems, duplicate submissions, or account restrictions. To avoid delays, don't write void on the check, use your bank's required endorsement language, submit clear photos, and monitor any mobile deposit limits. Once for mobile deposit only is written on a check, it generally cannot be deposited through another method. Check with your financial institution regarding their specific requirements. If you haven't received your check, first verify your name and mailing address in EMA. If you've moved recently, ensure mail forwarding is established with USPS. Returned checks can be reissued once account information is corrected. Thank you for watching. If you need assistance, contact Step Up for Students Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, through chat at sufs.org, or by calling 877-735-7837. We're here to support you every step of the way.